Hey guys, today we're going to unbox the Yamaha PSR-EW410 keyboard. Yep. Okay.
Now this is a brand new model from Yamaha. Brand new.
So, this yellow thing, I don't know what it is.
Annalise has been practicing on a toy keyboard for the past year. She really wanted a keyboard for her birthday. So we decided to get one that's not a beginner's. This is more of an intermediate keyboard. We got some accessories that came with it or ordered separately.
Wait, is this for the keyboard or no?
No, just open it. I don't know what it is. What do you got?
Flash drive thingy and back.
Yeah, that's for your keyboard.
Oh. And there's a receipt.
Alright.
Okay, you got these?
Alright, just set them aside.
Yep. Do this. Sustain pedal. Got my universal piano style sustain pedal.
Alright, got a sustain pedal. Explain what the sustain pedal does.
It makes like the note longer.
It holds the note.
Headphones?
Headphones. That came with the package.
Nice.
Look like pretty good headphones.
Yep. Oh no. Yeah. Got my chair.
Okay, that's the seat.
Oh, help me.
Okay, so there's a chair that came with it.
Yep.
The package. We got a package deal. Looks like a decent seat.
It's nice. Can we sit on it?
Yeah, go ahead, set it down. You can sit on it. And... How's it feel?
Feels nice.
Good.
Okay.
Alright. Now, next one is the stand.
So we put together the stand.
That wasn't easy.
Yeah. I had to wait later.
We had it wrong at first.
Okay, so should I open it like this?
Go ahead.
Can't wait. This is amazing. Okay. Oh. Oh. You can't lift it up. Okay. Okay, so, oh my gosh, what do I do?
Looks like you're gonna need some help. What's that?
Okay,
To hold the music,
okay.
right?
I was wondering if that.
Why don't you show the camera?
Okay. For your notes and stuff. Okay. And yeah, I need help.
Alright.
Okay, you ready? Don't do it yet. I'll count down.
Alright, I'm ready. Can
Go
do it.
ahead.
3, 2, 1.
There it is.
There it is.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Okay, we need to lift this up again. Let's take this out.
Very careful.
Okay.
We bought this one at B&H Photo Video, where I pretty much buy all my photo video gear. I've been buying from them for about 30 years
Right
now.
there.
Right there.
Right there.
Yeah, make sure it's balanced right.
Like that? Am I good?
Okay. Where's the plug-in?
Where's the plug-in? Well,
And I can't wait to play with this.
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Just waited a long time for this.
Yes, I
She's
did.
been asking this.
I love the spinny thing.
It's one of her friend has one.
No, I don't.
But it's not a Yamaha.
This is like a $400 keyboard. The keyboard by itself. We got a kit which included the bench, the stand, the sustain pedal, headphones. Which is about $50 more.
Where? I can't plug it in here.
You're gonna need a extension cord. It's not
What
gonna
about-
reach.
This right here.
Go ahead. There we go. She hasn't touched any keys yet.
Ready?
Go ahead.
Oh my gosh, I'm like... Wait, what?
What?
Wait, what? Wait, can I have the pedal? Wait, oh my gosh, I forgot how to play.
I don't know where to put this.